Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, kindly hit the subscribe button. If you're old, kindly like also, and then hit the post notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. Now, in today's video, we're looking at the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2. It's a product that I bought using my Samsung reward points. If you don't know how to redeem your reward points, you can check my video up here. So I show you how I redeem my reward points using it to purchase these two items. And they came in a little unboxing I'll show later on. So let's go into the video while I show you how to pair this to your Samsung phone, in this case your Samsung phone, and use it. All right, so let's jump into the video. Let's unbox it. So right, all right, and we're going to flip it open. And in the box, what do we get? So in the box we have the device. We have a SIM ejector too. Then we have this product, and we have that. Put that aside. This we put that aside. I'm gonna put them here. All right, and then here. So it does. This actually has a button that is clickable. All right. So the SIM ejector tool. Somebody's gonna ask, what are you gonna use this SIM ejector tool for? It actually has a use. Now, if you look critically here, there's a small hole over here. Now that small hole is where you press to eject the battery. So for example, this, and the battery comes out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull this out. And when we pull it out, you hear that sound. You can take your Samsung Galaxy phone. To pair it up, you can take your Samsung phone. Once you pull this out, you can press on this that once. By the side, the ejector tool on the side. Now you can come into your Samsung phone and then go to Smart Things. Okay, so you can see here we have Smart Things. So or you can search Smart Things on your Samsung phone and tap on it. Once you're inside, it's going to pop up that way, and you're going to add it to your things. It's going to be loading. Okay, so it's loading. It says it's found something. I can agree and then tap on that. All right, so now it's connecting to it. So it's asking me to press the button in the center. So I'm going to press. There's a button here. So I press on it, and then it's still registering it. It's registering it, and it's asking me, is the location home for this device? So location as home and living room, whatever the device name. If you want to set it as a device and another device, maybe I'm going to say keys. Okay, I'm just going to set it as keys tag. Okay, or keys Samsung tag, Samsung tag. That's what I'm going to set it, and then do that, and then after that, done. Downloading some add-ons, and boom, we're done. It says before using the tag. Okay, done, and now it's there, so we can view it on the map. I agree to that, and it's going to find the location. That's how to pair your Samsung. I'm going to update this. Yeah, so we tap on the map and it's going to show exactly where the tag is, and you can see it over there. Alright guys, so that is how to pair your Samsung tag to your device. So from this day forth, it's just going to be here. Once you're inside the Smart Things, you can always tap on that and you will find it here. You can tap, it'll open here, and then you go into services, and over here you can toggle on this. It means that when you press this button twice, it's going to ring your phone, and it's a way you can find your phone using your Smart tag. But if you come back and go to automation, you can also come here, and then if there's any smart thing that is in your house, you can put that one on this, so that when you press that one, something would happen. For example, if I had something, for example, let's use you want to control a device, my TV. Okay, I want to control my TV. I'm going to say next. That's my Samsung TV, and I'm going to say maybe what do I want it to change? I want it to auto turn on in 10 seconds. Okay, that can be done. Auto turn on, and then save. And once I've done that, I can proceed to do this. So now I'm saying that when I press the button once, I want something to happen. Now that has been set for this. And when held, what do I want? If there's another thing I want it to do, I'm going to set whatever I want. All right. So we're done with this. And now, all right. So now that we're done, we're going to press this twice. 1, 2. My phone starts to work. All right. So let's try it again. That's 1, 2. and the phone starts to ring. Now, what about the reverse? So the reverse is when I come into Smart Things and I want to find the device because this device is maybe on my key. So I'm going to tap on this and then I'm going to view a map to be able to look for it. And once I'm in the location, I can hit on ring and then now it's going to ring like that. Once I've located it, I can now turn it off. Or this is how to use your Samsung tag. Let's use it on this one. So we press this button again and you can see the TV is off, but now it comes on. Then we can press the same button again and the reverse should happen as it's been set to do turn on. And it's off. Alright guys, so that's how to use the Samsung Galaxy Tag 2, connecting it to your phone and using it for your daily activities that you can. I hope you enjoyed this video, learned a thing or two from it, and if you did, kindly hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, like the video, share it out there, and I'll see you in the next video with a new tip or trick or tech item. Until then, peace out.